Hello everyone, welcome to Training Basket YouTube channel. I am Prem, your data science mentor. In this video on comments, we will explore the importance of commenting code and how to use comments to enhance the readability and maintainability of your Python program. So let's jump into the computer screen.
Comments are an essential part of coding and they help to make our code more understandable to ourselves and others who may come across our code. So, what are comments? Comments in Python are text that is written in the source code but is ignored by the interpreter. Comments are used to explain what is happening in the code, describe the code's functionality, or provide information about the code's author or date of creation. Comments are indicated by a hash symbol. Anything written after the hash symbol on a line is considered a comment and is ignored by the interpreter. As we can see, here we have put one hash symbol, after it we have written escape sequence, and these two lines also are comments. So what does it mean? These two lines are representing this below code is belongs to escape sequence. So if a user can see this code, he or she will able to understand this code is related to escape sequence. Here we have written a code of print function. So let's comment this code is related to print function. So for that, here I am using hash symbol and I am writing print function. So user can understand, okay, this code belongs to print function. We hope that We hope that this video has been informative and helpful in understanding the importance of commenting your code. As we have seen, commenting your code can make it more readable and easier to understand, not just for yourself, but for others who may need to work with your code in the future. Good commenting practices can also help you catch errors and make debugging easier. Remember to always strive for clear and concise comments that explains the intent behind your code rather than just describing what the code is doing. And don't forget to update your comments as you make changes to your code to ensure that they remain accurate and relevant. We hope you find this video useful, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in comments section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on Python programming. Thank you for watching.